Good morning, students. I am discussing about the object. So what is the object? As you know, in science, whatever you are seeing, that is a object. Okay, the object is a kind of entity. For example, a pen, a place, a mouse, a table, a person, a cat, a chair. Okay, a bank account, a customer, or a data are objects. Okay, and what is the definition? An identifiable entity means which can be identified with some characteristics. You can identify a pen with the characteristics. Okay, and characteristics means data, a state, and behavior. Behavior means or functions is known as an object. Or an object is self-contained entity that contains attributes and behavior. Every object has the following characteristic. Identity means you can call that one as a computer, you can identify. And the state or characteristics mean which characteristic it contains, and behavior means how they are working within the function. Here they are taking example, bike is an object, its characteristics are black color, 150cc engine, and it's how it can be identified because it is being manufactured by Bajaj company. Okay, and what is its speed and what features are there. So how this Bajaj bike is working, its function, its behavior, it can be seen. But in context of the computer programming, I am taking one example here. See, this is addition of two numbers. Its class name is sum, its function name is addition. And what is an object? And these variables, int a, or it may be int num1 or int num2, like that one, and these are the characteristic of these variables. Okay, what is its characteristic? It can contain only the integer value. So here these variables are known as its state and characteristics. Because this is a program for addition of two numbers, so how these two data two variables are working here, or how they are working here, for which operation, because it is being set into the function that they have to take part in addition. So what it is going to operate here, they are taking part in addition. Which operation is to be done here? Addition is going to be operated here. So C is equal to A plus B. So this is a behavior. So how these two data are working here or functioning here is known as a behavior. So have you understood? So state and characteristic means these variables and functions are the objects. Is it clear? Functions and variables and functions are the objects, and its declaration is a characteristic or state of these variables, and how they are working, this is known as a behavior. If I take name int num, so num, from num I am identifying for which purpose this variable has been taken. Is it clear? Thank you.